Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 5th, 2023. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of seven extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. Four of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku. Is it really a 3 stars? I don't think so. Because it has 31 digits. 31 digits. That's a lot. That's a lot. By the way, this one will be number 7566. 7566. Usually the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. It will take me, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. But for the 31 printed digits, well, should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see. Alright, already almost 2 minutes passed. So let's get started. Let me see. Two missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. Second column. So the third column, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here and there. We have a 6 in this last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so the first row. Only two places left for the 6 should be here and there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there, 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so the first row, only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Well, digit number 2, number 1. Alright. How about the 7 in this column, the 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column, only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 7. Alright. Okay. Now. 2 in this column. 2 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2, okay. Then 2. Well, I cannot continue with the 2, I believe. No, not true. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 in these 2 boxes here. 2 in the last column, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. How about 4, 5. But the 3 then. 3, 3. Come on. No 3 here. 3, 3. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. The 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 to 5, 4 to 5. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 to 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and the 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4, 4. Okay. 4, 4. Well. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Let me think. The 8 in the last column, the 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Okay. But the 9s. Need a 9 here. I need a 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in the first column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. First 5, okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4, 9. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have 4 and a 9. Well, let me 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 in this row. No 8 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for 8 in this big square. Should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. Do we have more 5? No. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 4. 3 and 8. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright. 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and a 3. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the must 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Can it fill this yet? Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in the last row for the must 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in this big square. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5 cannot fill this yet. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes and there. 1 box left in this column for the, I believe, the 9. Yeah, 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left on the 9 should be there. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes and there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes and there. The final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes. They're finished in 11 minutes. Well. We solved it again. Is this really a 3 stars? Don't think so. Should be a 0 stars. With 31 printed digits. Publisher. Sometimes the indication is not correct. But maybe George, you can solve this in 6 minutes. Alright. Let me continue with the second puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku. This one has 24. Yeah, this one 24. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.